With the recent hurricanes on the Florida Suncoast and the fires out west, people are starting to ask the big question: what the hell happens to your mortgage and your property tax payments if your house is completely destroyed? It's a good question. Welcome to Florida Suncoast Living, our little real estate channel here on YouTube. My name is Keith Connors. Thanks a lot for visiting. I appreciate you being here. So, what does happen to your mortgage and property taxes if your house is destroyed? A hurricane, wildfires, or floods, as we've seen, can wipe out your home. But does that mean you still have to pay? In just a few minutes, you'll learn what happens to that mortgage and the taxes, and whether you still owe those taxes, for how long. What relief options exist if disaster strikes too. But first, our pitiful property punchline joke of the day. Oh, and don't forget, you can click the links below to get your free 5 property valuation tools to make sure you get the very best deal, the best price on any property, whether you're buying or selling. All right, here's today's property punchline. What do you call a real estate agent who tells really, really bad jokes? Of course, pun employed. Now, if your house is destroyed, do you still owe a mortgage? Yep. Homeowners are required to keep paying unless their lender offers relief options. That's why having homeowners insurance is so critical. What about property taxes? In many states, taxes are still due at 100%, even if your home is unlivable. Some counties do offer temporary reductions, but it's not automatic. Forbearance may be an option, similar to the pandemic relief programs. Some lenders allow temporary payment pauses, but interest still accrues, and that increases your total debt in the end. Insurance payouts can help, but not always. If your coverage is insufficient or delayed, you may face financial strain while you still owe those payments, mortgages, and taxes. You should make a phone call to your agent and know your options before disaster strikes. Contacting your lender and local tax office immediately after a problem can help you find relief programs or reassess your property values pretty quickly. Hopefully, you'll never face this situation, but if you do, it pays to be prepared. Before you go, be sure and grab your free 5 property valuation tools from the links below. Thanks for checking out the channel. Please like and share with someone you love or like a lot. See you next time on the beach or the next video. Peace.